This morning, I'm sharing a quick Rover demo with you, so let's get to it. This is a demo dashboard for a client who's interested in sales. They want to get a handle on their sales numbers. And so you can see you have all of the normal things you'd expect to find in a dashboard. We have metrics, we have charts, we can filter by various criteria, and all of this is custom. So it looks like this client's brand, it lives within their application, it's their look and feel, their colors, and it's exactly how they want it. But some of the most powerful features actually happen once we drill into the underlying data. So let's click through. In Rover, you can always click a chart to get to the underlying tabular data so you can dive deeper. And so this gives you a view that you can now sort and filter as you want. But one of the things that people are really appreciating is the ability to add presets. And what a preset really is a set of filters and criteria, as well as column customization. And the reason that matters is that we find that organizations where various people are sharing a report will have everyone having just a little bit of a different preference. So maybe I think that this ought to be called vendor. And I can make that change. That refreshes right here. And maybe that's not the only change I want to make. Maybe I think the rep column ought to be first. That seems most important to me. And maybe I want to send this externally and the order status matters, but maybe it's not appropriate to share the order ID. And in fact, since the order status matters, I'm going to move it up sooner in the order. I'm going to put it right after the quota amount. Then I can save that. That will now become a part of my preset. You can see that my screen refreshes immediately. So all of the changes I made are here. The rep column's there. That's renamed to vendor. I've got the order status. The order ID is gone. But then I have this available next time I come in. So it's not just a one-time thing. And also, I can export to PDF. These are custom branded, so it'll look like the client's brand. I can export to Excel, or I can even send a branded email. All of those customizations will flow through. And I can have as many customizations per report as I want. So if I have various sets of stakeholders that need to see the data in a slightly different way, I can save as many presets as I want to capture that. So that's a quick view of some of the features of Rover. If you want to talk further, just let me know.